Hi all. So today let us see Wonderland LKG Term 1 ABCD phonics sound. Letter A. Phonics sound of A is ah. Ah. When you say A sound, your mouth position should be like this. Ah. Ah. Apple, arrow, axe, and. Letter B sound is B. When we say B sound, first our lips will be closed, then it will open. Our voice box is used. When we say B sound, we have to use our voice box. Just touch and see your voice box on the throat. When we say B sound, B, we have to feel the vibration in our throat. Then only we are telling the B sound right. B. B sound is B. Bat, all, bag, bus. Letter C sound is K. That is a hard sound. K. 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 Car, cap, cow, cat. D sound is D. D. We use our voice box to tell the D sound. D. D. Drum, duck, dog, doll. Letter E sound is eh, eh, eh. Your mouth formation will be like this. Eh, eh. Egg, engine, elephant, 8. Letter F sound is f. Many people are telling it wrong like fa, f. The two sound are wrong. The F sound is f. Fish, frog, fruits, fan. Letter G. G sound is G. 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 Grapes, gate, glass, girl. Letter H sound is hut, horse, hat, hen, horn.